Are you interested in real estate investing? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide for beginners on real estate investing. Real estate investing can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Let's get started. Before diving into the world of real estate investing, it's important to understand the basics. Let's explore the key concepts together. One of the first steps in real estate investing is setting your goals. What do you hope to achieve? Let's define your objectives. Now that you have your goals in place, it's time to explore different investment strategies. Let's discover the options available to you. When investing in real estate, location is key. Let's dive into the importance of choosing the right location for your investments. Now that you know the importance of location, it's time to analyze the market. Let's explore how to identify profitable opportunities. Once you've identified a potential investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence. Let's learn how to minimize risks and maximize returns. Now comes the exciting part, making the purchase. Let's explore the process of acquiring your first real estate investment. Congratulations on your first investment. But the journey doesn't end there. Let's discuss how to manage and maintain your properties effectively. As you gain experience in real estate investing, you may consider expanding your portfolio. Let's explore strategies for scaling your investments. Real estate investing is not without its challenges. Let's discuss common obstacles and how to overcome them on your investment journey. Now that you have a solid foundation in real estate investing, it's time to think long-term. Let's explore strategies for building wealth through real estate. Remember, real estate investing is a journey. Stay informed, adapt to market changes, and continue learning. Let's keep growing together. Thank you for joining us on this real estate investing journey. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights and inspired you to take action.